Coming to you rugged and direct from the home kitchen. Montego Baby here again with another episode. Today we are going to do a revamp of the curry chicken. Actually get some better light, so I want to kind of do it, redo it so we can actually see everything a bit more clear. I know I did curry chicken foot already. I made a curry chicken back. Now we are going to regular curry chicken. We get a whole chicken, we bust him in half, and then you know, we kind of cut him down to size, and we just use you know, half of the chicken. So roughly around 2 pounds of chicken we use, and we are going to deal with it properly today. So glad you guys joining me again. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we have the layout, family. We have a chicken here already you know, cut up and cleaned, washed with vinegar water. We have some Cho Cho here, one whole Cho Cho we cut up. We have one potato here. We have spinners that we are going to make out of this. And if you want to find out how to make the spinners, check out the video. Check out the link up top here. Just click on that link and you get access to see the oxtail video where show you how to make this. We have some onion here. We have a large onion we cut in half, and we actually use a little when we have burned the curry, and use the other one with other part of this one we have cooked. A piece of scallion, or scallion here, thyme, have a garlic, little bump of ginger. So ready to go here. We have about 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder, half tablespoons of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Alright, so this is just the basic layout, and this is what kind of use to get things going. So what we'll do here, we'll kind of get the meat seasoned. So you go on and you chew on your salt. Okay, get your black pepper, and then you'll get the curry powder on right now. Okay, and you kind of mix all this on the chicken. Kind of good when you use the whole chicken, so you can get all the different pieces, breasts and all them things, the wing. You know what I mean? Get a little of everything in this. Okay. Alright, so what we are going to do now, we are going to bring this thing over to the stove, and then we'll get it started. Okay, so check back with me. Alright, family, so we're over to the stove here. We set the stove a little bit above medium high. So now we're going to go ahead and add some oil. And you can use whatever oil you like, again, but for me, just I use some extra virgin olive oil. Right? We're going to heat that up a little bit. And then what we are going to do is a process called burn the curry. Basically activate the flavor in the curry. And we are going to do that. We actually going to start off with 1 teaspoon curry powder inside of the oil directly. Okay. Teaspoon should be enough. Actually, I might go about a half a teaspoon. Alright, so do a half a teaspoon of the curry in the oil. That actually look like enough to me. So just a little correction, half a teaspoon. We are going to run this for probably about 20 seconds or so. 20 to 30 seconds. Yeah. That all over the oil and activate all those wonderful flavors. Another curry powder. Get that well happy and merry. And then what we are going to do now, we are going to add a little piece of the onion in this. Yeah. Just like that. Kind of caramelize this a little bit here. Get it translucent. A little bit. Yeah. And we're gonna go ahead and add in with scallion. Just like that. And I keep this moving, you know. So right about now, you know, say curry well activated here. So we are going to now, we are going to go ahead and add in. Go ahead and add in the chicken. Make sure you get the pieces touching the oil, the bottom of this. Okay. Right, once everything down in at the bottom here now, you're not going to add any water yet. What you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and cover this. Okay. You're going to make this run for probably about 5 minutes. Make it sweat out of the water inside of the meat. And once that sweat a little bit, we're going to uncover it and then we are going to add in the rest of the stuff. Alright? So make that sweat a little bit for about 5 minutes. So check back with it. Alright family, so 5 minutes pass. Go ahead and take a look here. Yeah. Alright. Thing and have a lot of water. Which is good. Then once you're gonna buy meat with a work solution, so that's good news. Alright, so we're there now, we kind of mix it around. Take up some of them onion and things from the bottom. Make sure so the other part of the meat gets some of that curry. So in the oil same way, you know. And when you put in your water, you don't want that wash off. Yeah, just right there. Curry look rich and nice. Very beautiful. Alright, so what we are going to do now, go ahead and add in the water. I have about 2 cups of water here. Just gonna go ahead and throw that in. Just like that. And then what we are going to do, we are going to add in the rest of the onion. Throw all of that in there. I want to really not wasting things, so make sure you get everything. I have a piece of thyme here. I'll go ahead and add that. Yeah, your garlic. Go ahead and add that in. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and get this to a boil. Once this gets to a boil, then we're going to go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients, okay? So go ahead and cover this over and get it to a boil. Alright, so check back with it. Alright, so everything get to a boil here. Always I try whole pot without pot holder. Alright, great. Thing all look good. Whatever do, we have to add in the rest of the stuff then, yeah? Make sure so everything get cooked properly. So what do we need here? Alright, beautiful. Go ahead and add in your potato here. Add in your Cho Cho, otherwise known as Chayote. So see all that going on in the gravy. Just like that. Yeah. And then we'll go ahead and add in with spinners. So we don't know long thing with this thing. Run we are run, you know? Run we are run. Alright. You just kind of break off some little piece. Like that. Yeah? Just kind of put it in here like a prayer and just roll it. Just like that, yeah? Easy peasy. Yeah? Just like that. Yeah? Just like that. Alright, so I'm gonna roll out them thing here. And get this thing here covered up. And then make it run for about another 5 minutes. Then we taste it and see what we are dealing with, yeah? So check back with me here. Alright family, so thing are looking good, nice and rich. What we are going to do now, we are going to test the flavor and see what other finishing touches we need for add so we can make this thing a dark, you know. Alright, beautiful. Get a smaller spoon if it tastes so I go on. Alright. We'll do about a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Half a tea. And about a quarter tea of cayenne pepper. Okay. If you want to use Scotch bonnet, by all means, but you can kind of manage the spice a little bit better with the cayenne, you know. So make that go and mix in a little bit, just like that. And what probably I'm gonna do, add a little bit more salt. Alright. So we are going to add about half a teaspoon more salt. Okay. Now if you taste your thing and you don't need no more salt, you know, by all means, let me say, customize as you please with regards to your salt level and so forth. But for me, another half a tea should be fine. I'll mix that in there. Basically all we have to now is just make sure say all of your veg and thing we put inside the cook. Yeah? Or add a little piece of ginger in that too. Curry is a very strong ingredient, so you want to make sure so your stomach second. You get a little piece of ginger, get a grater. Grate a little piece in it. You know. Not have to go too wild. You know what I mean? Nice little piece of ginger. Just like that. Alright. Right now this thing should be good to go. What we'll do here now is just finish the cooking process. we are going to do, I'll turn this down to medium. I'll cover it. I'll make it go and simmer down for another 10 to 15 minutes, okay? More likely about another, about 10 to 12. 10 to 12 minutes and it should be good to go. Okay? Alright. So cover your thing over. Turn it down to medium. Now let it run for another 10 to 12 minutes and we should be good to go to lock off. Alright? So check back with me. Blessings family. Alright, so we just finished it up here. The boat dock and everything ready to go. So it was another pleasure for me to be able to bring another dish that I love to you guys. Like I said, it's just another revamp to the original version of curry chicken I did earlier, but you know, try to get a little bit more lighting in the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So, you know, like me always say, one love, more love, righteousness, Montego baby, signing out. Blessed love.